If it's your first time seeing bohème, and if it's your first time in opera, good choice. You have this group of artists, very good friends. You have a painter, a writer, a philosopher, and a musician that all hang together in search of their dreams. Then Mimi comes in and changes everything. I love bohème. It's one of my favorite operas, and for me, there's no note out of place.
La Bohème is different because it is the perfect opera. It is perfect because you cannot cut even one note out, because it's conceived with the incredible deep knowledge of dramatic theatrical show that Puccini had. He was the ultimate showman at his time. I am sure that if Puccini carried on, he lived for longer, he would have been writing for Hollywood.
Mae'n opera gwych i wylio fel opera cyntaf, mae'n opera gwych i ddod â plant i, mae'n opera gwych jyst i ddod a cael eich llyged a gwrando ar y cerddorfa. Mae Puccini yn anhygoel ac yn mynd â ni ar siwrne hynod o emosiynol.
This is, our life and our story. As a poor young artist, I experienced this love, and we've all had this heartbroken moment. So Puccini put these things into this supremely expressive music. At the end of the show, I think audience will feel the emotion of love they had when they were young again.
I think audiences will go out loving life even more than they did before coming to see the show. It's life-affirming, giving hope.
Mae o'n stori drist, ond y peth ydy, mae cerddoriaeth byw clasurol yn rili'n gallu creu cymaint o feddyliau a cymaint o deimladau ac emosiynau, a felly dwi'n gobeithio fi pawb efo rhyw fath o buzz yn dod allan, a wedyn fydd o'n cymryd cwpl o ddyddiau i brosesu beth sydd wedi digwydd.
Well, hopefully they'll cry a lot. No, I think the beautiful thing about bohème is that they will come out of it probably sad, but at the same time with the heart filled with this love that all this group of people created. I guess that's what they teach us in this, all these characters, is that even though they're going through a struggle, they live the moment and they try to get the best out of it.